Couples pretending to be in a relationship and falling in love for real is one of the most explored themes in romantic dramas all over the world. Because of the cuter moments and beautiful chemistry, we are hooked to these dramas. And today, we are counting our top picks on pretend couples in Turkish series. Before we begin, welcome to Montage Romantic and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. Najat is a single father who raises his daughter Kaira alone. When Kaira was little, her mother left. So Najat lied to Kaira that her mother is a social worker in Africa and will visit her for her 6th birthday. Suna is a kind hearted young girl from a middle class family and she works with her father in her family restaurant. One day, when Najat came to the restaurant, Sona misunderstood Najat for the new buyer and snapped at him. When she came to know the truth, she goes to his home to apologize. In a turn of events, Kyra misunderstands Suna for her mother. Because of Kyra's stubbornness and not having the courage to break her little heart, Suna and Najat have no choice but to continue the lie until they get the right opportunity to tell the truth. With a growing mutual attraction and more lies, Najat and Suna's lives and relationships gets tangled and complicated. Osgur is a wealthy and successful restaurant owner living a happy-go-lucky life without commitments. He doesn't believe in love and always keeps his dating relationships casual. Because of this, he got a bad reputation as Mr. Wrong. On the other hand, Izgi is a soft-hearted girl and hopeless romantic. After being heartbroken with her last relationship, she is now determined to date a good man with whom she can get married and raise a family. Izgi and Uzgo's paths cross when they become neighbors. When Uzgo's mother put pressure on him to get married, he asked Izgi's help to pretend as his girlfriend for a weekend. In return, he would help her find a good husband, and their journey of emotional and complicated relationship begins. This series is a modern day love story which is full of fun, romance, and entertainment. You Knock My Door is a beautiful love story of Ida and Serkan. Ida wants to become a landscape architect and waiting for her scholarship. Serkan is the owner of a big architectural firm which is responsible for Ida's scholarship. In a cost cutting move, his office cancels the scholarship program without Serkan's knowledge. Thinking Serkan is responsible for ruining her education, angry Ida confronts him. Their frequent meeting ends up in a quarrel every time, which was misunderstood for lovers by media. When Serkan's ex-girlfriend got engaged, to make her jealous, he strikes a deal with Ida to pay her scholarship if she pretends as her new lover. Although Ida rejects the offer initially, she has to accept it because of her circumstances. While pretending to be lovers, they experience a passionate and challenging relationship between them. Full Moon is the story of kind hearted Nazli and arrogant Ferit. To cover her education and family expenses, Nazli starts working as a part time cook in Ferit's house. In the beginning, they don't get along very well, but when a family tragedy strikes, Ferit wants to take custody of his orphan nephew Bulut, so he seeks Nazli's help to take care of Bulut. Gradually, he starts trusting Nazli and falls in love with her. But in a turn of events, Nazli has to break his trust in order to save her sister, which caused Ferit to lose the custody of Bulut. To regain the legal custody of his nephew, angry Ferit demands Nazli to accept for a fake marriage. Will Ferit ever forgive Nazli is the rest of the story. Melike lives in Istanbul and wants to become a famous journalist. She lies to her parents in Germany that she has a successful job, big apartment, and engaged to Mehmet. In reality, she is working in a small time magazine for low salary. Also, she is having a big crush for Mehmet and she never spoke to him at all. Mehmet is a successful doctor and also the fiancé of Melike's boss Ignor. While looking for a scoop, she finds a secret about a celebrity actress who is Mehmet's family friend. When Melike's parents return from Germany to see her, she has no choice but to blackmail Mehmet to pretend as her fiancé. This series is a goofy and short romantic comedy with only 8 episodes. Zainab elopes with her boyfriend to US, leaving her conservative family behind. But her life turns upside down when she learns about her pregnancy. When her boyfriend doesn't want to marry her, she breaks up with him and raises the baby alone. Even though she is afraid of her family's reaction, Zeynep plans to return to Istanbul to reunite with them. Fatih is the heir of rich Turkish family and he wants to live a life of freedom from his family and their values. Zeynep and Fatih come across each other on a flight to Istanbul. Desperate to escape from an arranged marriage, which he despises, Fatih requests Zeynep to pretend to be his wife. Zeynep, on the other hand, accepts Fatih's offer as she also needs some time to explain about her baby to her family. Little do they know that this agreement is going to change their life altogether. Mete is Oiko's childhood crush. Shy to express her feelings towards him, Oiko waits for the perfect opportunity. But Mete falls in love with Sima, which makes Oiko sad. Ayas is a carefree youth and also Mete's partner. Ayas and Oiko hate each other. When Oiko came to meet Mete in his office, because of her awkwardness and being shy, she lies she is in love with Ayas. When Mete invites them for lunch, not able to avoid, Oiko and Ayas agrees to pretend as a couple for one day. But fate brings them together again and again. This series is also available with English subtitles in YouTube. Black and White Love is an emotional love story of Ferhat and Asli. Asli is a doctor who wants to save lives, and Ferhat is a cold hearted hitman. Their life gets entangled when Asli gets into a mafia situation. To save her own life and her brother's, she accepts to marry and pretend as Ferhat's wife. Initially, she hates him with all her heart. But eventually, she realizes that there is still goodness left in Ferhat and supports him to get out of his wounded childhood. This is also a well written script which re-evaluates life, that both darkness and light is present in everyone. Karim is a rich womanizer who has a reputation of an irresponsible person. After an unfortunate incident, he desperately wants to fix his image with his father. Aise is a modest girl from a conservative family working in Karim's father's company. With her controlling and overbearing brothers, she always has to be a good girl with her family members. However, when her brothers force her into an arranged marriage, desperate Aisha hides in her office where she meets Karim. He advises her to be selfish rather than a good girl. But he has no idea how his own advice would turn against him. To escape from her family pressure, Aisha accuses Karim as his lover and she is pregnant. This creates chaos in the family and Karim is forced to marry Aisha. Yaman is a cold hearted businessman who doesn't trust women because of his traumatic past. After the unfortunate death of his brother and sister in law, he wants to protect his nephew Yusuf, who he considers as his brother's legacy. But his life takes a new turn when Yusuf's aunt Seher claims for his custody. Irritated Yaman threatens her and tries to chase her away. But Seher's love for her nephew Yusuf and her promise to her late sister makes her stubborn and ready to challenge Yaman. With her pure love and kind heart, she wins not only Yusuf's custody but also Yaman's heart. If you agree with our list, please let us know with your comments. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe for more videos like this.